So tonight I have warmed this up in the oven. I'm just trying to soak some oil into it at the moment. It might have soaked in actually. I think it has. So that's good. So I've warmed that up in the oven for 10 minutes at 220. It's cooked to perfection in the hope that the grease would free up inside it. So again, I have got a little bit ahead of myself, but we have a hole bored through 1.5 inches or 1 9/16 cold rolled bar, and I'm getting ready to make it accept this taper, so that taper will spread it out. I'm going to cut a slot at 90 degrees to each other, 2 slots, and the taper inside there. Fingers crossed, once that's done and that taper goes in, that will spread out. There'll be a little tapered ridge at the front here which protrudes out. That'll be turned down to about 23.5 mil. That'll be 25.6 or 1 inch at the edge. The taper will go down to about 23 mil. So hopefully I'll be able to get about 1 or 2 mil of taper expansion, which will get underneath the bearing, and then I'll be able to pull it out either with a slide hammer or put a washer on it and wind it against a washer, whatever. But this is going to be a 1 inch blind hole bearing puller. Righty ho, I am now starting to cut the outside just because I'm starting to cut the outside. And I'm putting on 5, 10, 15,000 cuts. Bringing it in, close on, power feed, bit of oil, get it everywhere, all over myself, and she's taking cuts. Just roughing it down at the moment, bringing it down to size. This is going to be 1 inch. And the surface finish is rough, very rough indeed. On the puller, I've turned down the back edge here to the point I need. Now I've flipped it round in the 3-jaw, and I'm going to face off down the back here to get it nice and flat, just because. Then I'm going to turn down this to about 3 mil less than this 1 inch diameter here. Then I'm going to flip it back round again, grab it on this bit which is a bit smaller, come in with a parting tool about 5 mil, 6 mil in from this back edge that it is now, parting down to the same diameter as what we've cut here, and then clean up that section. and then cut my taper on that 5mm. There, that's the plan of action, and then cut my taper on the inside of the hole on the opposite side to what you're seeing now. I think that's what we're going to do. So I've put in this tool. I did put this tool in, which I don't know what it's supposed to do. It's just someone's made a chip breaker tool that came with the lathe. I'm going to try it for the turning operations. I'm putting this in for the facing operation. It didn't do too bad last time, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's start the machine up, and I'm just going to oil the bearing ports here, and I might put some lube on the slideways. Yeah, I could do it, but I might do that as well. Not sure about there, so that's the slideways I ordered up. I've got some motor oil for bearings, I don't know if that's right or not, but that's what one's getting. That one's going, both that one's inside. I'm going to put the bearing motor oil in the gearbox, although it's not engaged at the moment, just because I used it yesterday. This is motor oil. We'll put some more in the back gearbox, just because. I'm going to put a little bit in the apron. Just so it's got some in there before we set off and start bursting things. I think that's all cool. I think the can be oiled, it has been oiled. And squirts them down the back here into the nuts, and there's some down the back there as well. So I've set the compound up into the chuck direction, which is set to 90 degrees. I'm going to bring the cross slide in, touch off with the apron, like so, come out, lock off the saddle for rigidity, put on a 10th cut. Power feed doesn't work at the moment on the cross slide, so I'm going to have to do this manually. I'm going to take a 10th cut and see what happens. I think I want more speed than that, to be fair, so I'll have a bit more speed than that. So I brought that up to around about 700. Lots of cutting oil going everywhere. Got another 10 thou. That's 20 thou up, and we'll see what that does now. To me, that doesn't sound right. So, I'm going to change the angle to the angle more appropriate to what I think it needs. So now I've got more of a acute angle on it, more of a sharp edge cutting in. So we'll round out and round back into a 0. So round back into a 0, unlock the apron, do it safely, unlock the apron, tilt the saddle, bring it in, switch off, lock down the saddle, 10 cut. That does not sound good. At all. Literally, it sounds bad. Really, really bad. Have a look at that surface finish, see if it's any good. I doubt it. That amount of chatter. And, well, to be fair, that's pretty nice. It's not bad, there's a little bit of roughness on it. I'm just trying these things at the moment. Seeing what these blades that I got with the lathe can actually do. That ain't too bad. I could possibly do that a little bit faster. I might just put another 5 thou cut on that, or 2 thou cut on it, and try it even faster. See what it does. So this is a 2 thou cut. Yeah, to be fair, in the centre. Yeah, it's still grabbing my nails, but I don't know. It's getting better. Getting better. It's not acceptable for any machine parts, but for this, that's enough practice on that for the evening. So I'm going to give that up for a game of soldiers. I'm going to unlock the apron. Sorry, saddle. Keep on saying apron, don't know why. So I'm going to unlock the saddle because I'm going to be using that now. Now you're going to be coming backwards now. So I'll just unlock the tailstock, bring you back. I'll reposition you so you can see some action in a second. See some action there. Let me zoom in.